Hello everyone, this is Sanjit Singh and I welcome you on the platform of the DIT British English. Friends, there is one question which always comes in front of us, and the question is that how I can become a good speaker. So today I am going to tell you the tips and tricks by which you can just know that how can you be a good speaker. Because in this time, if you are not a good speaker, then definitely you can't motivate anyone. And for motivating anyone, it is very important that we have to keep some important points so that we can just make our environment comfortable and people will understand while you are just delivering or while you are just telling anything. Big companies are also attending, or you can say that doing seminar, and they just call all the employees as well as they just call all the publics so that they can just sell their product by just delivering their speech by the you can say that the knowledge of product. But the main thing is that they are not able to be a good speaker, they are not able to motivate. So today I will just tell you, and I hope that after this session you would be able to just motivate anyone. But before that, I would like to tell you that you have to stay with us till the end so that you can just learn something from here. So without wasting our time, I would like to start this session. So you can just see on the board I have just written how to become a good speaker. So to be a good speaker, I have just taken 7 points, and these 7 points are very important. Number 1 is a smile. Number 2 is eye contact. Number 3 is hand movement. Number 4 is how to start. Number 5, body of content. Number 6, conclusion. And last one is that thanks to listen my speech. So if you are going to focus these all 7 points, then definitely you can be a good speaker and you can do something and you can just able to motivate anyone. So now I am going to tell you one by one. First of all, we have to talk about a smile. You know very well that if you pass a smile, you will also get a smile, and there will a positive vibes which come in that environment. So while you are just delivering your speech, while you are just telling, while you are just motivating anyone, it is very important that you should have to have pass a smile, but that smile should be totally natural. And one thing I must tell you that if you are able to just make some little kind of joke, then please do like that so that you can just do like that and you can just make the environment comfortable. So it is very important that while you are just delivering the speech, a smile should be there. So always pass a smile while you are just delivering a speech in front of the audience, and this will make the environment comfortable and all people will just be motivated and they would be able to bound to listen your speech. So this is very important that first of all when you come in front of anyone, then a smile is very important. So we should always pass a smile while we are just delivering the speech. Next, I would like to take about eye contact. You know very well that audience are 3 kinds, and if you are not going to make eye contact with them, then definitely they will create problem or they will not take interest in you. So it is better to make eye contact with everyone so that they can't you can say that move here and there, and they would be able to bound to listen something from your side. So while you are just delivering the speech, don't look here and there. As a speaker, you have to just see your image in their eyes. So you have to make eye contact while you are just delivering the speech. But it doesn't mean that you are just focusing on only one. You have to make eye contact with each and every person one by one so that they would be able to just bound to listen your speech and they would not create any kind of problem. So while you are just delivering the speech, you always make eye contact. It is said that if you are not making eye contact, it means that you are telling a lie or you are losing confidence level. So it is better that if you are confident, if you want to show your confidence level in front of them, then make eye contact while you are just delivering a speech, and this will give you a great impact. Even the positive environment will come also, and whatever you want to tell, they would be able to understand very well. So while you are just delivering the speech, please make eye contact with each and every person. Next one is that hand movement. You know very well that if you are not moving your hand, it shows that how much you are lacking confidence level. So it is better that while you are just delivering the speech, as my hand movement is just moving naturally like that, you have to also just think that and you have to just make while making eye contact, that your hand should move automatically. So you have to ensure that your hand should move automatically while you are just delivering a speech, and it shows that how much you are confident. But if you don't know how to move you can say that hand movement, then please put one pen in your hand so that your hand may engage like that. So it is very important that please you have to move hand as well as making eye contact with that. Next one is that how to start. Now the first and foremost duty is that everyone wants to see new face, and when the new face comes, then definitely they just think that new ideas, new thought will come. If 2 or 3 or more people have spoken like that, and you are also speaking same thing, then definitely there will be no difference between that person or this person. So it is very important that you have to focus that your how to start should be different from others, so that you can just make impact in them. So while you are just delivering the speech, you should be looking like a different kind of person. Your speech, your behavior, your each and everything should be different, so that you can just make eye contact or you can do anything, and your speech will be different like that. And the body of content. After that, body of content means that on the topic on which you are just going to speak, after how to start, your points should be there, because if you are just flashing the point before starting a speech, then it is good and they will understand. Your point should be interactive, your point should be effective, your point should be full of suspense, so that people will try to understand each and everything. But if you are not speaking with points, then definitely they would not be able to take interest in you. And if they will not able to take interest in you, then you know very well that what will happen. So it is better that whatever you are just delivering the speech, just clear points to each and every audience, and make some points you can say that interactive, or make some points full of suspense, and tell them that I will just ask this question to them, and that question should be asked in the middle or in the last, so that the people will take interest in that. So body of content is very important, and if you speak with the help of point, then definitely you can just motivate your audience soon. Next one is that after body of content, now it's very important that conclusion. Now the people want to listen that what you want to say actually, and if you are not able to tell, then definitely nobody will understand. So you have to go for conclusion part. Lastly, I would like to say that, and after that you have to tell some valid points, some valid reasons, or that conclusion should be only in positive mode. You don't have to give negative, because you are going to summarize each and everything whatever you have just told. So it is very important that after completion of your whole points or each and everything, lastly what do you want to say, you have to say. Means conclusion part is very important. It is said that in Hindi, ant wala to sab bala. So it's better that you have to focus on conclusion part, so that people will understand each and everything. And you have to finish your speech in each and every aspect, so that you can do like that. And after that, lastly, before the leaving this place, you should be thankful to all audience, so that they have just listened their speech. So you can say simply that thanks to listen my speech, or you can say like that thanks for listening my speech. And without telling this, you don't leave this place, because you are you should be thankful to those who have just listened their speech. So friends, if you are just using these 7 points while you are just delivering the speech, then you not only be a good speaker, you will be the best speaker. And definitely you know very well that those who are the best, they are able to go anywhere, they are able to just motivate anyone, they are able to attend any kind of seminars, and they are able to just get any kind of position. So confidence level is very important, as well as you have to be a motivated kind of person. You have how much you motivate, then definitely your audience will also come together, and they will just attract on you. And if they will attract, then definitely your importance will increase day by day. So I hope that whatever I have just taught you today, whatever I have just told you today, you all will just focus while you are just delivering your speech as a senior, junior, or whatever. So thanks for listening my speech. Now I would like to conclude this speech, and lastly I would like to tell that please, I request you, whatever the points have been given by me, please, I request you use while you are delivering the speech, so that people will understand and they would be able to motivate. So with this note, I would like to give thankful to all that you all have just watched this video, and you will wait for the next video. In next video, I will come with the new session, so that you can just know each and everything. So once again, thank you to all for listening me. Thank you.